welcome to my channel. Today I will be unboxing the T500 smartwatch. Now this is a clone of the Apple Watch, comparable to the 6 series version. I picked this up from eBay for around $24. But before I get into this unboxing, if you're new here, I just ask that you hit that subscribe button below. Hit that bell to be notified. I drop new content on this channel every Saturday at 3 p.m. Eastern Time. And if you're returning, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Alright, so let's get into this unboxing. Like I start off with every unboxing, I'm going to take a look at the box. So now we have a plain white box with a illustration of the smartwatch, and this is actually a shiny material, so that's nice. And then on the corner here it has watch T500, and this also is a shiny material. And it looks like we have nothing on the sides and nothing on the back. So this is not like your regular packaging where you would have information on the back about what all this smartwatch does. So looking at the package, I mean, it's not bad. It's what you get for $24. All right, so let's go ahead and open the box here. Okay, so here it is. You get the wristband and the watch on top. We'll take a look at that later. We're going to see what all you get inside here. So you get the smartwatch user manual in color, so that's good. And you get one side is in Chinese and the other side is in English. So that's good that they're giving you a full color user guide. And let's see what all this watch is capable of. So as you can see here, you can make Bluetooth calls, you can get information, view phone information for Bluetooth connection. It has motion record, movement records, 3 color circles which represent 3 data of step counting, exercise, and standing. It measures your heart rate. It measures your blood pressure. Physical training. So it actually keep track of your running, your skipping, your sit-ups, table tennis, basketball, badminton, mountain climbing, riding, tennis, walking, and so forth. So this watch does a lot for $24 for someone who's active. And it also kind of reminds me of the Garmin VIVOACTIVE3 that I review. If you have not seen that video, I will put the link in the description below. After this video, if you can head on over there and show that video some love and giving it a thumbs up, be greatly appreciated. Okay, so what else it have here is a sleep detection, and you can control your music, apps. You'll get notification for Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp. You can also I believe send and receive your text, email, etc. So this is all-in-one smartwatch for $24. Okay, this is the charger. Comes with your regular magnetic charger with the USB connector. You will have to either connect it to your phone or a power brick, or however you decide to charge this up. Okay, so that's what all comes inside of the box. Right, so here is the T500. It comes with the wristband that resembles the Apple Watch wristband. Let me remind you, this watch is supposed to be a clone of the Apple Watch 6 series. So taking a closer look at the wristband, you have your silver clip. Okay, now this rubber here is not a bad feeling rubber. It's probably not as good of a quality as you would get with an Apple Watch, but it's made the same. Okay, so that's that one. And here is the other part here. And I believe you can buy the watch bands for the Apple Watch for this watch as well. And I think I'll do a video on that, getting some Apple Series 6 watch bands and seeing if they actually work on this watch. Okay, so taking a look at the main piece here, they have some paper on the front, so I'm going to take that on off. Looks like they put a screen protector on there, but I'm going to go ahead and take that off as well. Okay, so here it is. You have your turn navigation button here, and on the side here, I guess that would be a SIMs, where you can put a SIMs card, but of course you cannot put a SIMs card in this one because it's only connected through Bluetooth. And I believe here is a little speaker. Okay, and this is where you would slide your wristband. And this is the back. So you have your heart rate, sports, health, ECG, and it says Series 6, 44 millimeter zinc alloy case. And these are your 2 charging connectors, and this is where it will monitor your heart rate and your sleeping. Okay, so not bad. So far the build quality is nice. You have your nice little silver looking trim or metallic looking trim. Okay, it has a good weight to it, not too heavy. The screen, as you can see, there is a pretty big bezel on the screen, but overall build quality is not bad for $24. So I'm going to go ahead and slide these wristbands in like so. Okay, it just slides right in, just like that. Okay. So there you go. So this is how it looks with the wristband on, and it's in there. It's in there tight. So I don't feel like it's going to come off when I am being active. So yeah, so not bad. Alright, so let's turn this T500 on, and I believe you just press this button in on the side. There you go. Alright, so as you can see, here are your different apps. And I will say that the screen on camera is not doing it justice. The screen actually looks bright and the colors are vibrant, so on camera it's not really coming off that good, but it's really nice. The screen is really nice, very responsive, as you can see. And you have Twitter, you have your Bluetooth, your messaging, and you will have to download an app in order for it to connect to your phone. This is just an unboxing. I will do a video in the future showing what all it can do. So the T500, as you can see, come preloaded with multiple watch faces, motion watch faces. As you can see, you have Minnie, you have Mickey, okay? And like I said before, you can track your calories, your steps. It has fitness training where it will track your walking, tennis, badminton, your sit-ups, I mean all kinds of activities. So I would say that this T500 is a really good alternative to the Apple Watch Series 6. It is the clone. This is good for anyone who wants to get their feet wet with getting a smartwatch, but don't want to pay a lot of money. This would be great for younger kids who see their parents have an Apple Watch and they want one. Be a good starter watch. So yeah, so far, just looking at it outside the box, I mean, if you had this on your arm, no one would be able to tell that this is not an Apple Watch, okay? Because it looks like an Apple Watch. It's responsive, the screen is bright, the colors are vibrant, and it does everything. You can text, you can call out, you can check your Facebook, get notifications for WhatsApp, Twitter, everything you need on your wrist. You don't have to take out your phone. So let me go ahead and put this on so you can see how it looks. So there we go. So here it is on my wrist. Has a little bit of weight to it, but not too much. Also, this is waterproof, so if you're washing your hands and a little water splash on it, it's not going to hurt it. And if you're sweating, the sweat won't ruin this watch. Now, you can't go swimming like the Garmin VIVOACTIVE3. This is only good for a little bit of water activity. So yeah, I say go out and purchase this T500 smartwatch. I think it's a great deal. You can also find them cheaper than $24 than what I paid. It depends on, you know, the seller, and you can also find these on Amazon as well. So this has been my review of the T500 smartwatch, the clone of the Apple Watch Series 6. Thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next video.